Hey guys, Jason Guyman here. Just going to give you another cool trick. Today we're going to be actually talking about Christmas lights. I know I've done a lot of pressure washing, but I just wanted to let you know I'm going to start doing Christmas lights on on Friday, pressure washing on Monday, and marketing on Wednesday. And then I may do some videos in between whenever I can get them up. But today I wanted to talk to you about this kilowatt meter. This thing does great for Christmas lights. This is actually our setup for our Christmas lights. Go plug this in and this will come on here. And what this does is this lets us know how much load we have on our circuit. And it also tells us if it's got good electricity. We should have anywhere from 120 to about 130 volts. If we have more than that, we're going to have issues. We had one Christmas light that during the daytime we had 130 volts, but at nighttime we got down when it was for a commercial job. All the lights came on, and our lights went dim. And the reason why was we were down to about 90 volts, and 90 volts is not going to run the Christmas lights. But this will also let us know how many amps we are pulling for our Christmas lights. Now, since we're running LED, it doesn't really make as much difference. When we were running incandescents, you had to have this. And actually running LED, I had to use it one time this year because our guys didn't use it like they're supposed to and write down what they had, and they were at 12 amps. And it was a big house. If I got pictures of it, I'll kind of show you here. I don't know if I got a picture of it or not, but we had a lot of minis, and we probably had about 400 feet of C9s, and they had it all running to one circuit. For whatever reason, I don't know, it was like 12-14 amps by the time they were done, and it was popping the circuit breaker when it was running any time. So what you want to do is you come up here, and if you click down, it will tell you the amps. It will tell you how many amps is coming out of here. You can use this for all kinds of cool things. You can see how much your computer's pulling. You can see how much your refrigerator's pulling. This thing will tell you how many watts it's pulling, all kinds of stuff. It'll give you a cost of how much it's going to cost you per month. So you can tell your customer, hey, it's going to cost you this amount of money per month. But that's how this works. It works great. We use it all the time. We use this whole setup. If you want to see a video about how this thing works, the inline GFI, check out the video above here or below right here, and I'll put this video in there also. But again, this works awesome. Like I say, it does a great job. This here, I think they're about $25, I believe, and this is about $30. So you're looking at about $50, but both of these do a great deal. I'll put both the links down below that you can get either one of these. But hope this is helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe. And like I say, every Friday I'm going to do Christmas lights. If you have any questions at all, please ask them down below, and that will help me to know what you need to know. I'll be teaching how to make Christmas light or extension cords, the whole 9 yards. So you'll be able to learn. It's going to be over time, so it's going to take a little bit of time to get stuff. But I'm not only going to do Christmas light, this kind of stuff. I'll show you how to do different things you can do with Christmas lights, all different cool things you can do with them. We did a wedding with them. I got some video of that, and I'll show you that cool. And but again, if you need any help, also if you want to learn how to do a business, all this training is already in christmaslighttraining.com. Go there, check it out. It's not that expensive, and I walk through everything, and we teach you how to start a Christmas light business, how to sell Christmas lights, how to bid Christmas lights, and how to install. But hope you have a great day, and thank you.